This is Mutya ng Bulacan 2024, the Blazed Competition. We will begin the Blazed Competition with our Mutya number 1, Miss Adelpa. Miss Adelpa, everyone, stands 5 feet and 2 inches tall and she measures 31, 24, 34. This 16 years old loves seafood. A grade 11 student at Davao del Sur School of Fisheries. That is your Mutya number 1, Miss Helen Geiger. Mutya number 2. Mutya number 2 is your Miss Kalachuchi. Miss Kalachuchi stands 5 feet and 1 inches tall and she measures 31, 20, 31. This 19 years old loves to dance and read. A second-year college student taking advantage of secondary education major in social studies at Davao del Sur State College. That is your Mutya number 2, Sherilyn Abelia. Mutya number 2, ladies and gentlemen, stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall and she measures 24, 26, 36. This 17 years old loves to dance. A grade 12 student at Davao del Sur School of Fisheries. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Mutya number 3, Nella May Fuentes. Mutya number 4, Miss Dunia Luz. Your Mutya number 4 stands 5 feet and 2 inches tall and she measures 29, 24, 31. This 17 years old loves to read and write. A senior high school at Holy Cross of Malalag Incorporated, taking up accountancy and business management. Once again, that is your Mutya number 4, Sheen Alcanta Arindon. Your Mutya number 5 stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall and she measures 31, 23, 32. This 15 years old loves to cook. A grade 10 student at Davao del Sur School of Fisheries. That is your Mutya number 5, Jenica Kampugan. Mudya number 6 stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall and she measures 34, 26, and 34. This 19 years old loves to dance. A second-year college student at Polytechnic College of Davao del Sur, taking a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. That is your Mudya number 6, Maureen Alpanta. Number 7 stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall and she measures 21, 24, 32. Is 17 years old, loves to sing and dance. A grade 11 student at Davao del Sur School of Fisheries. That was your Mudya number 7, ladies and gentlemen, Sabrina Olidan. With Mudya number 8, stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall and she measures 34, 25, 34. This 21 years old, loves to sing and dance. Your Mudya number 8 is a third-year college at the University of Benilde-Lagos College with a degree in Bachelor of Secondary Education. That is your Mudya number 8, Elisha Alboy. Placed competition, palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Now I must say, all of our candidates tonight are not just praised to behold, but they possess a body which are to die for. Do you agree? Na tanan itong mga candidates tonight are all sexy. Sexy ba silang tanan? Ayan, surely all of our candidates shine in our placed competition. But at this point in time, to all our ladies, better be ready because at this juncture, we are going to proceed right away to the much anticipated part of our competition tonight, and that is our preliminary question and answer round, in which we will be able to hear the opinions, likes, principles, at the same time, of course, how our candidate stands in the hashtag that they were going to pick in tonight's competition. But before we begin the preliminary hashtag, allow me to remind everyone na samtang nag-answer ato ang mga candidates karong gabi una, ligayan lang nato maghimo og kasabot para dili sila madistorbo. Okay ba taana? Alright. Now in tonight's event, each of our candidates will pick a piece of paper, and that piece of paper contains a number, and that number corresponds to a hashtag. Now to our ladies, good luck! And of course, I know, kayang-kaya nila ang ating round na ito. Because of course, 1 year din nila nag-prepare for this competition. Okay, relax na ladies. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now begin this year's Mudya ng Bulacan 2024 preliminary question and answer round with our first batch of Mudya 1 to 4. the first match of our ladies. We'll begin with Mutya, number 1. Good evening, Mutya, number 1. How are you feeling tonight? Kulba. Okay na. But of course, I stand corrected. Our Mutya number 1 is representing the IP community. Now, of course, ay nagkulbaan ka karong gabi una. So relax, inhale, exhale. Now, are you ready for our preliminary round? Sure na ka? Okay, bawal na mo ba kaya? Okay, since you are ready, let's welcome now our gold girl. Okay. Wala mong pagkandidata. Alright, and Mutya number 1, you pick hashtag number 9, and your hashtag will appear on screen. Hashtag unity. Again, hashtag unity. But before that, all of our candidates can answer to any language that they are comfortable to speak with. It's either English, Filipino, or in vernacular, and no time limit po tayo. Alright, your hashtag unity.
Hashtag unity. Unity is strength. I believe if we work together, we can solve a big problem and make our place better. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mutya, number 1. Next up is your Mutya, number 2. I love that girl. We're so ready for tonight's event. How are you feeling tonight? Mutya, number 2.
I actually feel so blessed right now because finally I get the chance to experience
Ayan, you should be. That's true, because not everyone is given the opportunity to stand here tonight. And you are one of those luckiest women living here at Barangay Bulacan because you are part of this year's Mundial ng Bulacan 2024. And thank you also for your time being with us this evening. Are you ready for your hashtag?
Yes.
Alright, since you are ready, please speak. A piece of paper and let's see what your hashtag is for tonight. Ayan, ready dyan guys, okay, kinakapan-nails ko siya. Alright. Mutya number 2, you pick hashtag number 1. And your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag Barangay Bulacan. Again, hashtag Barangay Bulacan.
Growing up in this barangay has always inspired me. I've always think about this barangay because this is something that that we are very proud of. And tonight, as we celebrate Araw ng Barangay Bulacan, we encounter a lot of challenges. But as we see the people here tonight, we are so proud that we encountered a lot of challenges, but we conquered everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mutya. Number 2. Next up is your Mutya, number 3. Good evening, how are you feeling tonight? Ibaan. Ano ba dyan na? Ang importante, guwapa, gihapon kayo. Okay? So relax and enjoy this moment. Kaya? Alright. Now are you ready for your hashtag? Since you are ready, please take a piece of paper and let's see what your hashtag is for tonight. So, your hashtag number 8, and your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag 10H pregnancy. Again, hashtag 10H pregnancy.
Hashtag teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy can disrupt young people's lives and their potential. I believe in promoting comprehensive education on reproductive health and values, starting within families, extending to schools and community. By giving teens access to information, guidance, and support, we can empower them. We can empower them to access. We can empower them. We can empower them to make choice. We can empower them to make informed choice. I would advocate also in program that provide provide mentorship and guidance for young girls, showing them that they have the potential to achieve their dreams and build a bright future.
Thank you so much, Mugyak number 3. And joining our last batch of candidates, we have Mugyak number 4. Good evening! How are you feeling tonight?
I feel loved by many people!
Ayan. Wala po rin sa kabaranggayan ang nakadiri karon no? Ayan. There are many people here are supporting you in this evening competition. Now, of course, are you ready for this round?
Yes.
Alright, since you are ready, please pick your number. And you pick hashtag number. Hashtag number 2. When your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag number 2 is hashtag education. Again, for sure you can relate to this one. Hashtag education.
Hashtag education. For me, education is the foundation of a successful and a strong community. And when we prioritize education, we can be able to achieve our dreams, the dreams that we're aiming to achieve, and we can help any individual by learning every day. And when we prioritize education, we can help to promote a more inclusive one where individuals can be here and education is a very important for me because by education we can break the cycle of poverty, we can achieve our dreams, and by education our community can be better, and for everyone it can be and everyone can have a better future. Thank you.
At last, Bento with Dream, thank you so much. Mugyak number 4. To all our audience who are here right now, ligayin ang dyan na ito maghimog any kasamog po para dili ma-distract or ma-disturbo atong mga candidates. Because the reason why is dili dyan ba yung anak kadali mo tindog diri sa atubangan. So it's raised under pressure. So ligayin ang dyan na ito maghimog o kasamog para dili sila ma-disturbo. Are we clear with that? Alright, thank you so much. Let's welcome now our second batch of candidates. We have Mugyak 5 to 8. Please join us on stage. There you go. Ayan. They're all lovely tonight. And we will begin this match with Mugyak number 5. Good evening, Mugyak number 5. How are you feeling tonight?
Unko, tanong kaya rin kinagaling supporters ko, nagtapok.
Ayan, naadyan sa pinakatubangan na part. So no matter what you are feeling right now, I know, kaya na dyan din mo ni Era. Now, are you ready for your hashtag? Napugos na ni siya. Okay, pagkakaroon na ito sa, are you ready? Mugyak number 5.
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, since you are ready, please take a piece of paper. Let's see what your hashtag is for tonight. And you pick hashtag number. Hashtag number 6. And your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag number 6. Hashtag Sangguniang Kabataan. Again, hashtag Sangguniang Kabataan.
Hashtag Sangguniang Kabataan or SK Philippine Youth Council, empowering young leaders, staff, community, development, health and education program. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mugyak number 5. Next up is your Mugyak number 6. Ayan, good evening. How are you feeling tonight? Ayun, okay na, kalma na. At least, nasa ikapagmamalaki for tonight's event. Nawala ako. But anyhow, are you ready for your hashtag?
Yes.
Ayan, since you are ready, please pick your hashtag. Oh, di ba wala kong ano. It's a tie. Alright, open that for me. And your hashtag, hashtag number 5. And your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag number 5. Hashtag fake news. Again, hashtag fake news.
Fake news is like a virus spreading in social media. It can damage You can damage hashtag fake news. Fake news is a reality. Hashtag fake news. Fake news is like a virus spreading in social media. It can damage reputations and cause failure. We must critical consumers of information. Critical information. Verifying facts from trusted. Verifying facts from trusted sources before sharing anything online. Because I believe a smart and responsible media consumption is a key to a well-informed society. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mutia. Number 6, now let's have Mutia, number 7. Ayan, good evening, Mutia, number 7. I know that this is your second time joining the Mutia ng Bulacan. Na kung sa'yo mag-ibati ka ron, less kulba na ba or mas idobli ang kakulba? Pariha ka. So kung last year 100% ka ron, 101 na June. Ayan, so relax lang, ha? Okay, you can answer to any language that you are comfortable to speak with. And no time limit tayo. Now, are you ready for your hashtag? Alright, please speak a piece of paper and let's see what your hashtag is for tonight. And you pick hashtag number. Hashtag number 7. And your hashtag goes like this. Hashtag social media. Again, hashtag social media.
Hashtag social media is the integral part of modern life where we can communicate and to consume education in our society. Thank you.
Ayan, short but sweet. Thank you so much. Mutya, number 7. And to complete our ladies tonight, Shona and Sunstage. Mutya, number 8. There you are, looking lovely this evening. How are you feeling tonight, Mutya, number 8? Ayan, super cool ba? So actually, I would like to tell you something, no? Mostly of our candidates tonight, pinakalit yun na sila tanan kaya nga back out ang mga original na candidates. That is why, mostly of them, ayan, alam mo ka, mukha ang preparation. But behind it, I know, ayan, kaya na din yung competition, right? Ayan, mga models ko sa sabon. Now, are you ready for your hashtag? Since you are ready, please speak your hashtag. And you pick hashtag number. Hashtag number 3. And your hashtag goes like this. And very relevant right now. Hashtag environment. Again, hashtag environment.
Hashtag environment is our natural resources, and protecting it is our primary responsibility. And I believe that in taking care of the environment, we are not just protecting nature, we are also protecting and preparing a healthier and more progressive environment for all. And I believe that, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, through unity, cooperation, and helping one another, we can achieve a progressive and more healthier environment for all. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we should protect our Mother Earth just like how she protects us.
Thank you so much. Mutya, number 8. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our preliminary question and answer round. Why don't we give a big round of applause to all our ladies? Palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. Now, I must say that all of our candidates tonight are not just a face to behold, But of course, they are all indeed a women of substance. Again, palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. But this time,